Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have come up with a new website by which you can earn much profit. So do watch my video from beginning to end so you don't miss any information that is necessary, and do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. Change the future. What are you waiting for? You can buy now by clicking this buy now button. So Ethereum is a true high deflationary gamble and community coin which is currently running on the Binance Smart Chain. What is Ethereum Universe? Ethereum Universe, the real community token where the community decides in which direction the coin should go. Our unique tokenaments and our monthly polls on Telegram allow the community to decide what to do with the large portion of the transaction taxes, either buy, either burn, buyback, marketing, charity, additional lotteries, stocking up the LP pool, or reflections to all holders. Also, there will be additional lotteries every time our lottery wallet receives a lamb of worth in reflections. We will also burn a lot of tokens so that early investors will be rewarded since they get 5% reflection from every burn. Token supply after milestone burn. Buyback community is deciding when to activate the buyback function. The funds for the buyback function is offered by the Joker function. Lottery. Auto lottery, when the reflections of the lottery wallet are worth a Lamborghini. The community can start an additional lottery through the monthly Joker funds. Marketing. The community can decide to put the monthly Joker funds into marketing Joker. Every month the community is deciding what is happening to 4% of all reflections, buyback, lottery, marketing and charity. Liquidity pools LP. Auto LP function adds 4% of each transaction. The liquidity pool, the community can also decide to put the monthly Joker funds into the liquidity pool. Burn. At auto burn function, 5% of each transactions will be auto burned. Additional, the community can decide to make a Joker burn. Ethereum Universe. Ethereum is the first token in the Ethereum Universe. Like the real universe consists out of the stars, the Ethereum Universe will be the name for the platform for our own blockchain and AMM. But the universe is nothing without stars. Ethereum is our polar star. It will lead you to our universe, and it is the backbone of our project. In the future, there are a few more coins planned that will allow farming, stocking, and other stuff. So rest assured, we will change the crypto world. We are planning to become the Amazon or Alibaba of crypto. Ethereum Telescope will be function on our farming and stocking website. This function will allow other developer teams to launch their own projects over our website. To take part in the offered pre-sales liquidity pool, pairs including our native coins are required. This way, every pre-sale will boost the value of our native coins and increase the liquidity of our native coins. Roadmap 2021-2022. Our strategy and project plan. September pre-sale project launch, marketing, docs team, Joker wallet in liquidity pool, apply for listings, Coin Sniper, Coin Hunt, and CoinGecko. October. Apply for listings, proposal from the community in terms of marketing and other ideas. First Joker poll, certificates is determined by the community. November. Second Joker poll, Ethereum Lottery Special Edition Rolex Day Date. December. Third Joker poll, Ethereum Benefit Christmas Special Lottery Community Christmas Calendar for long time holder. Partnership starting 2022, coming soon. Ethereum Universe Investment Merchandise Shop. Upcoming new tokens, updating special lottery AMM on blockchain. Look around. You can know more about Ethereum. You can find out how Ethereum works and what advantages it offers by clicking this. You can buy token by Ethereum Universe token directly via PancakeSwap and secure a starting bonus. Lottery check whether prices are in your goal port for you. White paper, everything you need to know about Ethereum Universe, which I'll read for you later. View chart, look at the current price and rarity of the token. Join our Telegram group so you don't miss any more news. You can join our Telegram group by clicking this link. So let's visit the white paper. Overview. Now token 6 billion tokens pre-sale, 35% total supply will be burned, 5% burn at million market cap, 5% burn at 5 million market cap, 10% burn at 10 million market cap, and 15% burn at 20 million market cap. Early holders will profit from the burn. Wallets. 6x day wallets, 5 on cloud, 1 into 6%, 3 into 1%, and 1 into 0.5%. 1 locked 6% of total supply. Marketing wallet 4%, lottery wallet 4%, Joker wallet 0%, burn wallet 0%, charity wallet 0%, buyback wallet 0%, liquidity pool wallet 2.5%. Tax. 18% tax, 5% reflections, 4% liquidity pool, 4% Joker function, and 5% burn function. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a true high deflationary gambling community coin which is currently running on the Binance Smart Chain. So what is deflationary coin? It means that that the total amount of coins is fixed because of the Bond function. And the total amount of available coins is reduced drastically over time, which is return will raise the price and value of the coin. What is a community coin? Community coin means that you as a community can choose in a poll every month what should happen with the Joker wallet. At the end of each month, the community can decide for what the Joker wallet should be used for. The community can decide between buybacks, bonds, marketing, lottery, charity, of reflections for all holders. All polls are made in the official Telegram group. What is the gamble coin? Every long time holder is participating automatically in the lottery if they are holding their coins long enough. Some lotteries will be paid by the reflections that the lottery wallet will get. The lotteries will be offered because of the Joker function. Every time the reflection of the lottery wallet is worth a Lamborghini, we make a poll if we should give away a Lamborghini or we should split the money in smaller giveaways and choose more winners. Tokenomics. There will be total amount of 6 billion coins, from which a total 35% will be burned after reaching 1, 10 and 15 million market cap. This burn will reward all early investors because there is an 18% fee for each transaction, from which 5% will be reflected to all holders. The other 13% fee is divided into 5% burns, 4% LPs and 4% Joker function. At the end of each month, the community can decide if the coins in the Joker wallet should be used for buybacks, burns, marketing, lottery, charity, or as reflections for all holders. Early investors will profit more. The burns that will happen when we hit 5, 10 and 20 million market cap. During these three events, 35% of the total token supply will be burned, from which 5% will go back in reflections to all holders. Wallets that are holding more than 30% of the total supply won't receive reflections. That way, holders will receive more reflections when the Bond wallet and Joker wallet reach this limit. Only Ethereum holders that won't sell for a minimum of 28 days will receive the tax from the Joker wallet. There will be a tax-free day every month where investors don't have to pay the 18% buy tax. Anti-whale function. The daily cash out limit for each holder is 18% of the LP pool. Also, each buys and sells transaction is limited by 2 BNB per transaction. Joker function. The Joker function is also counting as a transaction, which means that it doesn't matter which option is chosen. The 18% tax is applicable. So 5% of the Joker wallet will go monthly back to holders. 5% will be burned. 4% will go into LPs and 4% will go back into the Joker wallet. If the community is deciding to use Joker wallet for the buyback function, the Ethereum in the Joker wallet will be transformed into BNB. This transformed BNB will then be stored in the buyback wallet. Every week, the community can take part in the buyback poll. When 10% of the Telegram community is voting for a buyback action, a second poll will be published where the community decide how much percent of the stored BNB should be used for buybacks. At these options, there will be two swaps, which mean 36% tax in total form, from which 10% is burned, 10% reflected, 8% goes into LPs and 8% goes back to the Joker wallet. If the community is deciding to use the Joker wallet for the charity function, the Ethereum will be transformed into BNB and sent to the charity wallet. The community can decide to which society the money should go. Like at the buyback function, there will be a poll with options gathered from proposals by the community. If the community decides to use the Joker wallet for the burn function, the Joker wallet will be sent to the burn wallet. During the sending process, there is also a 13% tax, from which 5% goes to all holders, 4% into LPs and 4% goes back to the Joker wallet. If the community decides to use the Joker wallet for the lottery function, the community could decide if the rewards are paid out in Ethereum or another cryptocurrency. If anyways they are through the transformation to another coin or the transaction to the winners, there will be 18 tax, which results in 5% reflection of all holders, 4% reflection to the Joker wallet, 4% into LPs and 5% burns. If the community decides to use the Joker wallet for the marketing option, the Ethereum will be transformed into another coin, which results in 5% reflections to holders, 5% burns, 4% into LPs and 4% goes to the Joker wallet. The community can make proposals on which influencer or which platform should be used for marketing. The options will be offered in a poll. The most voted options will be used and the proposal makers will be rewarded for their work. The reward will be even higher when the proposal makers took the effort to make connections on their own. Future plans. Helium is the first token in the helium universe, like the real universe consists out of stars. The helium universe will be the name of the for the platform for our own blockchain and AMM, which I have read you before. Roadmap, and these are all wallets, which you can see by visiting our white paper from the link in the description. So let's view the chart. So the chart is not launched yet, so when it is launched you can see it. So that was it for today's video. If you got some information from my video, do like my video, share my video so other people also get to know about it, and do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any video that I post, and do press the bell icon. Then we'll meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.